And they're on a way. Distinctive dancer, tigerific, cool reception. Big Bone moving up by the rail. In between runners comes Tiger Rafi. Then running on the outside, Subterranean, Mr. Godfather. Queen third last, second last, Renzi stays, and Tebaksi running second last as they race to the last 600 and going to the final 450. Distinctive dancer throwing a challenge on the outside, Tiger Epic, and by the release Big Bone as they kicks to the last 450. Big Bone, Tiger Epic, Distinctive Dancer drops back in third. Subterranean now running in fourth and catching the third spot. With the last 150 more to run, Big Bone over Tiger Epic in second. With 50 meters, Big Bone over Tiger Epic, and finally Big Bone, Tiger Epic, Subterranean, Tiger Rafi, Mr. Godfather, Distinctive Dancer, Queen, Tebaksi, Cool Reception, and Renzi